to the topic on implementing client-side routing in Angulars. In this session, we'll explore how to implement client-side routing in Angular. Client-side routing allows us to create single-page applications where navigation between different views or pages happens on the client side without full-page reloads. Angular's built-in router provides powerful features to handle routing and navigation seamlessly. 1. Setting up the Angular router. To get started with client-side routing in Angular, we first need to set up the Angular router. The Angular router is a module that manages the navigation between different views based on the URL. We'll need to import the router module and define our routes in the route module or in separate feature modules. 2. Creating route components. Once we've set up the router, we need to create components for each route defined in the routes array. In our example, we've defined 2 routes, the default route for the home component and the about route for the about component. Each component represents a different view that will be displayed when the corresponding route is navigated to. 3. Displaying router outlet. To display the routed views, we use the router outlet directive in the root components template. The router outlet acts as a placeholder that dynamically loads the components based on the current route. 4. Navigating between routes. To navigate between routes programmatically, we use the router service provided by the Angular router. We can add navigation links or buttons in our components and use the navigate method to navigate to a specific route. Summary. Implementing client-side routing in Angular enables us to create single-page applications with smooth navigation between views. By setting up the Angular router, defining route components, and displaying the router outlet, we can seamlessly handle navigation within our application. The router service allows us to programmatically navigate between routes, giving users a seamless browsing experience. In the next chapter, we'll explore more advanced Angular topics to further enhance your development skills.